Today we're going to talk about the springtime, spring season Feng Shui setting. We know that spring season is coming, so our Feng Shui setting actually we need to minor adjust it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the springtime, spring season Feng Shui setting. We know that spring season is coming, so our Feng Shui setting actually we need to minor adjust it, which is also reasonable. You know why? Because every single year we need to adjust our Feng Shui setting. The reason is because every single year the yearly fire star, the yearly Tai Shui, Shui Po, and Phi killings, they will change every single year. So at the beginning of the year, which is the spring season, which is a good timing for us to change it and then adapt it to our yearly current Feng Shui setting. So springtime definitely is a good timing for us to make some change. And for our Feng Shui element, we have a 5 element. We have the wood, we have the fire, metal, water, and earth element. And all these 5 elements, actually they're related to this season's change. Let's say from springtime, we use wood element to represent, because springtime, everything wake up and then growth. So wood plants is a good, like a symbol to represent springtime. And summertime is hot, so we use the fire element to represent summertime. And wintertime is cold, so we use the water element to represent the wintertime. And for the autumn time, we use the metal element to represent. And in between with different season, we use the earth element. Let's say from springtime to like a summertime, in between is the earth element. From summertime to autumn, in between is earth element. From autumn to winter, winter back to spring, in between is also earth element. So this 5 element is actually related to our seasonal changing. And we can see that for all these 5 elements, the fire, the water, metal, and earth, they're good, but they're just the element. But springtime, for the wood element, they're more than element, because wood element, they have a living energy inside. So there will be some different over there. So for our springtime, like a Feng Shui setting, we want to add this like a living energy inside our Feng Shui setting to make it more like an energetic, alive for our Feng Shui setting. So that will be good. So for the number 1 concern for the springtime Feng Shui setting, which is we have to keep our home clean and clear. For all those like a messy, we need to clean it up. For all those like a junk, we need to pack it, throw it away, or store it. We need to keep our home clean and clear, make it like a brand new. Clean up all those like a bad energy, clean up all the dirty dust, and it will bring like a refreshed look to our home. So for springtime, the number 1 concern, which is keep our home like a clean and clear, that is a good idea for us to do that. Okay, for the second concern, which is the color, we prefer to use more like bright color, more colorful in springtime. Let's say pink, yellow, red, orange, all those like a bright color to represent like a springtime. It represents some like a vital energy, living energy to make up more like energetic. So for your home, you can add more like this bright color decoration to make it more alive. That will be good. Okay, for the number 3 Feng Shui tips, which is we need to make sure that for the plants, the indoor and outdoor, we keep the plants in like a good, healthy situation. Any like a yellow leaf or any like a dead branches, we have to remove it. And it's also a good timing for us to add some like a new plants, like a lucky bamboo, money tree, to like those like a lucky corner. Then that will definitely add the good energy to our home. Okay, for the number 4, which is we need to ensure that for our home, we need to make sure that open the curtain and let the sunlight to come in. And then we want to make sure that there's a good ventilation, good spring energy that will just like a blessing our home. That will give us a good energy. Okay, for the number 5, for those furniture, if there's some old one, like a damaged one, like with some dirty one, maybe it's a timing for you to replace it to a new one. And for our residential, I highly recommend we use some like a soft material. Let's say we want to minimize the use of a marble rock, steel, aluminum. We will use more like a wood, fabric, even plastic material for our home. And also the color, we want to use more like a soft color for our home. It will bring us like a fresh look and then with a soft touch for our home. For the number 6, which is the water element. In springtime, definitely we need to add some water element in our home. Some fresh one, let's say the water fountain, the water bamboo, fish tank. So we can put it in like every single year, the lucky location, the good luck location. For more detail, you can watch my like a yearly Feng Shui setting, or you can just simply put it against the wall. When you open the door, against the wall in front of the door. So when you open the door, you see the water fountain or the fish tank. That is like a normal location. Or you can more precise use a Feng Shui like a measurement to measure the lucky location, or just simply use the yearly flying star to do that. But in general, water element, which is good because it can generate the money fortune. Okay, for the number 7, which is we need to avoid those like a sharp object, especially for our kitchen. The knife, we want to like hide it, we want to store it like a cloak nicely. We don't want to place our knife openly, and then that may cause any like a potential danger, because springtime is represent like a wood energy, and then this sharp object will cut the wood, which will hurt the springtime energy. So that is not really good. Okay, the number 8, the last one, which is you can also base on your personal Feng Shui detail and use those like a 5 element to boost your luck. Let's say in general, let's say when you're born in summertime, you need more water element. Or if you're born in the winter time, you need to add more fire element. So you base on your date of birth to do that. If you can use the Feng Shui setting and then corresponding with your date of birth, that would be perfect. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is the Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is the Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.